Hi everyone, and this time around I just want to show a small GPS speedometer that I built. The code and the corresponding libraries that I've used are provided in the description. I've used a 1.8 inch SPI 128 by 160 TFT LCD and an Arduino Nano. It's with a micro USB Arduino Nano Pro, the old 328 bootloader. And the connections are all commented out in the code. You can have a reference to it. And this is a very tiny GPS module. It's quite impressive for about $12 from AliExpress. I'll put the link there. And it's quite sensitive. I mean, it probably locks in about 5 or sometimes even 12 satellites here in Sydney indoors, and that's quite impressive. And yeah, you see this red bar. I think right now it's just turned green, so which is basically indicating the GPS signal. If the signal is there, it's a green bar. If it's not there, it is a red bar. And I've given some of the data like the number of satellites logged in, latitude and longitude, and the altitude. And this basically indicates the speed, probably because of the movements that I'm doing. So if someone can refer the code and give me a better faster response, that would be great, but I think it's fairly usable. I've just checked it once in my car and that looks okay. Yeah, and yeah, here you go. That's a small enclosure for the Arduino Nano that's in there with the micro USB and generic enclosure. And there's a small screen which you can just put this in, and that's pretty much it. That's all there is to it, and it's a pretty nice GPS speedometer. We can always reprogram it to include, let's say, a GPS clock or something of that sort. I'll see if I can do that sometime. But yeah, this is about it. The code is in the description. Please leave a comment or like the video. I would appreciate that. Thank you.